Assalamu alaikum Rahmatullahi Barakatuhu. Everyone, how are you? Hopefully you are all very well and doing excellent day by day and step by step. And Alhamdulillah, I am also very well and doing great something. So today is the day 17 of my English speaking practice video making journey. But today I cannot find any specific topic for my practice and for my making video. So today I select the topic is my room. So today I will show you my full room, right? So let's start. Yes, you can see here two things. One is stand and one is chair, right? So I have a fun story about this stand, and the fun story is I was buy this stand for making TikTok video, and because I think I will be a TikToker, so this is very fun. And when I think about this matter, I feel so fun. And this chair, every day when I make video, I use this stand and use this chair for making my video, right? And after that you can see my bed, and here are with I have a book and I have a notebook and I have a pen, right? Every day I write something. I don't know what I actually write, but I write something. Sometimes I write any word, any sentence in Bengali, in English. In my mind I feel write something, I write it. I don't know what I write, but I write something. And something it's important thing I write. Sometime something I just write every day for in my free time. So here is my room doors, and this is all of my clothes, right? And here is my trunk, and here is a bag. This bag is my bag, and here is a jainamas, right? Every day I pray salatul fajr, so I have to use it. And you can see here a laptop, but this laptop are not working now. This laptop is very bad, not workable. So I have to buy a laptop in future, and I hope that within 1 or 2 months I will be able to buy a new laptop, InshaAllah. So please pray for me so that I will be able to buy a laptop within 1 or 2 months, so that I can start my all the work with my new laptop with a new structure. So this was my room, about my room and about my bed. So now I will show you another two room made things. So in this room we have almost 3 person are live. One me and my another two roommates. One's name is MD Ratan, Mehdi Hassan Ratan. He is from Kustia and he is very honest and very kind person. And one of is from Borishalla. His name MD Rifat. So we are all doing a small job. He is real estate job, and he is a computer operator of BAF Shine College, Dhaka, Bangladesh. And I have a small job as a computer operator in a computer shop. So yes, this was my today's topic, and I don't know how I can describe my room. So maybe it will be fun for you, especially for this, right? So once upon a time I want to be a TikToker. Oh my god, it's how much fun topic. But Alhamdulillah, Allah saved me from those type of thing, and Allah making me, prepare me for the new thing. And Allah, Alhamdulillah, I hope Allah just preparing me for the accept big challenge and doing something great and excellent in future. I feel this thing. So please always pray for me so that I will be able to do something good in future. And I want to give you many good thing. I want to give my society many good thing in future. So I do not want to make it more longer. I am just finished this video for today, and tomorrow I will talk about with another an amazing topic, inshallah. So until tomorrow, be careful, be safe, take care yourself, and do something good and excellent. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.